Hey there, Minecraft enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to turn on advanced tooltips in Minecraft 2025. If you're tired of basic item info and want detailed stats, enchantments, and more at a glance, this feature is a game changer. It makes exploring, crafting, and battling way more strategic and fun. Stick around, and I'll walk you through it step by step in just a couple of minutes. First things first, make sure you're running Minecraft 2025 or the latest update. Launch the game and log into your world or create a new one. Once you're in, press the ESC key to bring up the main menu. Now, click on Options. That's your gateway to all the tweaks and settings. Next, in the Options menu, select Video Settings. Scroll down until you find the Advanced Tooltips option. It's usually tucked away here to avoid overwhelming new players. Toggle the switch to On, it's that simple. If you're on a console version, you might need to navigate using your controller's buttons, but the path is the same. After enabling it, hit Done to save your changes and return to the game. To test it out, open your inventory or hover over any item in your hotbar. You'll see a wealth of extra information pop up, like durability, effects, and even lore if it's enabled. Pro tip: if advanced tooltips aren't showing up, double-check that you have the latest resource packs or mods installed, as they can enhance this feature. And there you have it. You're all set to level up your Minecraft experience. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy mining.